Making and breaking polymers. You've learned some important vocabulary like monomer, polymer, dehydration synthesis, hydrolysis. You'll practice these vocab words and their definitions in this top section here. Remember to use your notes as your resource to help you get those correct. After you do that, you'll do a little practice identifying monomers and polymers. Remember that monomers join with a bond to make polymers. Bonds are represented by a line. So in this top right-hand corner here, we see two molecules that are joined by a bond. So that would be a polymer. Whereas this individual molecule with no bonds around it would be a monomer. Use that knowledge to practice these below. Then you'll look at a few different reactions and you'll determine whether this reaction is joining molecules in a dehydration synthesis reaction or breaking up molecules with a hydrolysis reaction. Select the appropriate reaction by highlighting it. So if we look here at reaction A, on the left-hand side, I see two individual molecules. On the right-hand side, I see that they've been joined with a bond. From my notes and practice yesterday, I know that joining molecules together happens by dehydration synthesis. So I'd take my highlighter tool and I'd highlight dehydration synthesis. How many bonds were created or broken? I can see one line linking them between each of those molecules. One line represents one bond. If there were 4 lines, I would have 4 bonds. In dehydration synthesis, when we are dehydrated, we are lacking water. So water was removed from this reaction. If it were hydrolysis, water would be added, hydrolysis, water breaking. Water has broken up those molecules. So our dehydration synthesis has removed water. How many water molecules were removed in this reaction? We have one bond here, so we needed one water molecule to be removed. If we had 4 bonds, we would need 4 water molecules to be removed. You're going to complete the rest of the reactions, B, C, D, and then turn it into Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please let me know.